Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
What are the conditions where rheumatoid arthritis RA factor or rheumatoid factor may be positive? Okay, though the patient does not have rheumatoid arthritis, there are certain conditions where this RA factor may be positive. So, RA factor may be positive in almost 5% of normal population. Okay, it may be positive in SLE, that is, it is positive in Coombs positive hemolytic anemia. It is positive in Coombs positive hemolytic anemia. It is positive in Sjogren's syndrome, or it is positive in interstitial pulmonary fibrosis. It is positive in hepatitis B virus, which is HBsAg. It can be positive in leprosy also. It can be positive in bacterial endocarditis, or it can be positive in chronic liver disease or sarcoidosis. You can see this has positive, or it can be positive in tuberculosis and syphilis. So these are the different conditions where the rheumatoid factor may be positive.
thank you and thank you for watching.